It is easy to consult Greek grammars using the Resources Summary tab. Select the Resources tab in the Analysis window. Then display 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 24 in the Browse window in the BGT. Place your mouse cursor over the last word, Eksegese. Notice that the top line in the summary window displays this word followed by the grammatical parsing. While holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, scroll down the summary window until you come to the Wallace exegetical syntax of the New Testament. Wallace lists several grammar sections that pertain to the word Eksegese, followed by 3 specific references to 1 Peter 1:24 in Wallace's grammar. Click on the first reference entry, reference 1 Peter 1:24 in the aorist tense. You'll find that Eksegese is cited as an example of a gnomic aorist, and there is some discussion of the function of the gnomic aorist verbs. As you move your cursor over words in 1 Peter 1:24, notice that the entries in the Greek grammars change depending upon the word that you hold your mouse cursor over. Through the Resource Summary tab, you can find information in a grammar concerning the grammatical form of the word you are studying, and you can find out what the grammar says about the verse that you are studying. You can also open a Greek grammar by going to Resources, Greek Grammars, and then choose any of the Greek grammars that are available to you by clicking on them. You can then navigate through the grammar as you would an electronic book.